Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. Today's episode we're going to be showing you how to change the wiper blades on your Tesla vehicle. So hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back everybody. So Paul here with another episode of Tech Motoring Pit Stop where we show you some basic maintenance to keep your vehicle running. And on today's episode we're going to be showing you how to change out your wiper blades on your Tesla vehicle. Now, full disclaimer, this video will work for pretty much your Tesla Model 3s, your Model Ys, your Model S's, I'm pretty sure all of them. So if you're looking for those vehicles, this video should cover you. If you're looking for anything outside of that, then you might have to look for a different video. But Model 3, Model Y, Model S. So what we're going to be doing today is showing you the proper way of changing out your wiper blades using the wiper service mode that is in the Tesla. So we'll be showing you how to do that real quick to get these wiper blades up to a level where you can actually get to them and change them. Don't try to change them when they're in their low position like they are right now. So we'll be showing you that process, and then we'll be showing you how to actually do the changing of the wiper blades. And of course, these are the wiper blades that have the little block tab on them. That's the one that you know if you're looking for the one for your car. That should be the one for your vehicle. Of course, look them up. Make sure you get the right model year and everything to get the right blades. This is a 26-inch and a 19-inch specifically for the Tesla Model 3, but of course, your different model may vary, so make sure you look up the proper one. So let's first show you how to get these into a service mode, and then we will get to changing the wiper blades. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your Tesla vehicle, you're going to go into your settings, open up your settings and go down to service, and in the service you're going to hit wiper service mode. When you do that, you'll see your wipers come up a little bit on the windshield. This will make it easier for you to bend the wiper blade, so this way you can actually change it out properly. All right, everybody, will you join me here on the passenger side of the vehicle where we're going to be changing out the passenger side wiper first, which is the shorter one. A couple things I like to do before I change my wipers: clean your windshield, make sure it looks good, and grab a towel for this part of changing out your wipers because you don't want this to snap back down and crack your windshield. I always like to rest it on a towel. So what I'll do there is I'll put that on the towel right where this will come down and connect with the windshield after we remove the blade. Makes things a lot easier. Right here on the wiper arm, you'll see a little square button here. And all you're going to do is you're going to push down on this button and you're going to pull the wiper in a direction away from the car. So towards this way is how you're going to pull your wiper. And then once you get to a certain point, the wiper should come off relatively easily without much pressure. There we go. And there we go. So as you can see here, we have the little square peg there. That's what actually locks the wiper in. And of course, you do have to be careful of the hose that's in here, the hose for your windshield washer fluid to come out. So you want to make sure you try not to touch that, try not to grab the hose, try not to do anything that's going to affect that hose. Let's throw this to the side. And of course, we're going to put this one on the exact same way that that one came off. We're going to go in this type of motion. We have a little protector here, which we'll take off in a second. But all we're going to do is we're going to slide this in like so, and we're going to push it in until it snaps. And then we can see the little peg comes through that square hole. And now we have the wiper blade on properly. We could go ahead and remove that little safety there. And now we have our passenger side done. Let's jump over to the driver's side, do the exact same thing. All right, this one we'll get a little closer shot for you so you can see exactly how this process works. Take your towel, put it underneath your wiper arm like so. Push down on the square button here and pull on the wiper blade going in that direction. And then we can just do a little bit of a shimmy there. Eventually it will release, as you can see. Grabbing your replacement wiper blade now, you're just going to do the opposite and come in from this side and slide it in, and then eventually you'll feel it slide in and make that click. Sometimes it takes a little bit. There we go, and click. Now we are in. You can see it came through the hole. Go ahead and remove the towel, and we'll remove the little protective thingy off of it as well. All right, and then once you're finished with that, we take it out of the wiper mode. So we go back into settings, go back into service, and we check off wiper service mode, and the wipers go down. All right, everybody, well, there you go. There is changing out your wipers on your Tesla vehicle. Just a couple steps, really simple. Push a button to put it into service mode. couple buttons to take out your wipers, put the new ones in. It's a pretty simple process, and as you can see, it didn't really take very long whatsoever. And I'll also leave a link in the description below of these wipers that I bought, just a cheap set that I found on Amazon, nothing special. Hopefully they'll work out pretty well. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it the thumbs up just below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber to Tech Motoring. Thanks again very much for watching today's episode, and we'll see you on the next one. And remember, welcome to the future. Welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you soon.